Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we're unboxing some farm equipment. We have two different pieces of equipment from Ertl. These are Massey Ferguson. We have a self-propelled windrower and a large square baler. Let's check them out. Let's look at the windrower first. What a cool tractor! You can see the exhaust pipe too and inside the cab. Here's the front. And here's the back, but there's the engine, so cool. This piece of equipment goes right inside. It's easy to attach. Now our windrower can go over the fresh grass. It leaves piles behind it of grass that can dry in the sun. Then we can bale it up into bales of hay. I love these cool wheels. That's so that we don't drive over the rolls of hay. Here's our baler. We need to hook it to a tractor. Pull it behind a tractor and it loads up the grass. And inside here it makes our hay bales. And then they come out the back and they're already baled. Wow, this is super fun! I think it's time to go to the farm. Let's go! Wow, it's a fun day at the farm. It looks like our tractor is going to work. Wow, we have so many rows of hay. Now it's time to let them dry in the sun. Wow, it's been a hard day's work, but the farmer's done a great job. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.